Hello and welcome to Module 5 for EDCI 5700 for the summer term. And this is the introduction and instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen. There we go. And you should be seeing my screen as it opens up to the home page. So we'll go in to Module 5 from the home page and get started. And the photo I'm sharing is from Independence Day about 10 years ago, back in July of 2016, the rotunda of the Idaho State Capitol here in Boise. So we'll go ahead. You're watching the introduction and instructions. And then we'll have you read chapters 5 and 6. And 5 and 6 go into the collecting and analyzing quantitative data. And we have the supplemental PowerPoints for chapter 5, which is the collecting quantitative data. Chapter 6 will be analyzing quantitative data, analyzing and interpreting quantitative data. And I also have a separate page where you can go in and you'll have both supplemental PowerPoints. Just click on the link and that will take you to the PowerPoints if you want to go into it this way. Then I've got a video, a YouTube video on reliability and validity. And reliability and validity are probably the most important terms in quantitative research. You want a valid and reliable instrument to collect data. Reliability is just that the people who you are surveying, the people you're collecting data from, that the answers are the same each time that you ask the question, each time that you collect the data, that the data is consistent across time. That again, if you ask the question once, the subject will give you the answer and the same answer the next time. That's reliability, a reliable answer. And then validity, it's just that you're asking the right questions to the right subjects, right questions to the right subjects. Reliability and validity. In this YouTube video, we'll go into more detail. Then post your reflective commentary, your module reflection. And I have posted mine. And then complete the quiz. There you go. Back to the page. And it's suggested that this module, Module 5, will be completed around the end of the first week of July. This module, the suggested completion date is about a week after the research summary papers were due. And by this time, many of you have probably received the paper back with my feedback, and use my feedback to help improve your scholarly writing. And let me know if you have any questions about the feedback. And stop the share. And that concludes the introduction and instruction for Module 5. See you in Module 6.